The car that, I'm gonna get some flack for this again, but seriously, like early 90s Corolla, like 89 to 91 to 93 maybe, I forget. They look like straight trailer trash, and I'm gonna catch some flack for that. But these cars are beat to shit usually, but they run forever. We have an excellent customer who comes in with close to 500,000 on his 91 Corolla. I said Camry earlier. Did I say Camry earlier? Corolla. I meant Corolla, not Camry. Corolla. The 91 Corolla with yeah, like almost 500,000 miles on this thing, and we just recently had to do a complete head job on it, timing belt head job. And it's gorgeous, the paint's nice. It still has the factory hubcaps. A lot of these cars have been lost to time. Like I said, they're like podunk trailer trash cars, or people look at them like that, but if I could fold up into one and fit, I would be daily driving one right now. And it's not that early Corolla is any better than later model, it's just the early Corollas are dirt cheap. You can actually still get one of these for like 500, 800 bucks, and it needs some work, but usually they're beat to shit. All Corollas are good. I actually have no complaint in any Corolla from the 1970s to current. Corolla has been rock solid. By the way, if you like this content, like talking about Scions, Corollas, whatever, hit that like, subscribe, and comment below.